Tahajjud is the most beautiful and blessed prayer. There are some facts about Tahajjud. Tahajjud is a journey from dua to miracle, from kun to fayakun. Tahajjud is like an arrow that never misses its target. Tahajjud brings light to your face and soul. It makes you closer to Allah and helps you fight your desires. Tahajjud is a cure for your body and soul. It changes everything and brings miracles. If whatever you are praying for is best for you, inshallah, it will get accepted. When a person can't reach a certain level of Jannah by his deeds alone, Allah make him go through hardships in order for him to reach it. Anxiety, stress, and even a paper cut wipes away your sin. Start praying Tahajjud and you will see miracles in your life happening. Even if you commit the same sin over and over and over and ask Allah for forgiveness, Allah will forgive you. Allah tests those He loves the most. So when you are going through a hard time, that's proof that Allah loves you. Allah descends every night to the lowest heaven to answer all of our prayers. The dua made at Tahajjud prayer is like an arrow which does not miss its target. Allah never rejects our duas. They are either delayed or replaced with something better. O Abdi, my slave, who have transgressed against themselves by committing evil deeds and sins, despair not of the mercy of Allah. You don't enter Jannah by your deeds, you enter by Allah's mercy. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ will cry over this ummah, who will go in the hellfire until there's no one left in it.